Today we are discussing blood. If you can see this image, it is the image of a blood smear. And you can see the large WBC smeared purplish in the center. And you can see the red blood cells all around. Okay. But you see that there's a lot of space around the cells. That's just empty, watery fluid. Now that fluid is plasma. It may look like it's just 55% of the volume of blood. But 92% of it may be water. 8% includes important substances such as carbon dioxide, glucose, hormones, proteins, mineral salts, fats, and vitamins. These are very, very important for our sustenance. Okay, a balance in our system is the most important aspect towards the correct kind of immunity that we need to attain. As you know, today's world is full of bacteria and viruses, lots of different viruses, COVID-19. Okay, now to gain the kind of immunity that we want to sustain ourselves in this world of germs, we need to get a very, very strong internal, normal, healthy flora. And for that, our body needs to maintain a balance, the correct kind of balance, the right amount of mineral ions and vitamins, hormones. Now, so this is the balanced constitution. If we look at the blood cells constitute 45% of this liquid that runs through our veins and arteries, our capillaries. Now, of this, you've got a large portion are your RBCs, red blood cells or erythrocytes. I call them the smart cells because they contain hemoglobin. And what does hemoglobin do for us? Carries our oxygen, our glucose, two very, very important elements that help us remain smart. And then you've got the WBCs, the white blood cells, a line of defense, are soldiers. These are what help you fight infections, inflammation. Okay, and then the third type of blood cell, that's so very important in case you get a cut or bruise. These are your platelets. Many people who are diabetics know and have heard about platelets or thrombocytes because these are the clotters and they have very few of them. So if they get a cut, then you'll see that they bleed a lot because their platelets don't come into action. There are less of them. They don't come to the point of defense. Platelets are what helps your body control the oozing out of blood at the point of damage. Okay, so here you've got a good idea what blood contains. Blood contains your plasma, which is very important. May look like just water, but it has the important nutrients like hormones, glucose, carbon dioxide, proteins, mineral salts, fats, vitamins. And when there's less water in the body, you're dehydrated, which is not a good thing. You know that. And we learned that when we were kids. And here you've got your blood cells that are your RBCs, red blood cells, erythrocytes. Then you've got your WBCs or your white blood cells. And then you've got your platelets or thrombocytes. Thank you. Thank you very much.